It is December 4th. Correction. It is December 5th. And I woke up this morning, had my cup of coffee. I had this really great idea that since it's Christmas time, I ought to record a sample that I've always wanted to record. In fact, I've been delaying on it for some reason, and that sample, Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells, baby. All right, so today is just a really fun, quick project. I'm going to record a Jingle Bell sample, and I'm going to document it. I've always wanted a really great sounding Jingle Bell, and I'm going to make a sample of it. I'm going to record it. I'm going to use it on DrēmTrigger. Let's record a sample and let's have some fun. So to get this sample, I'm using a UA. I've got an Apollo X8P, and I'm still getting used to it and all the plugins. Obviously we got to set the levels. So let's go that. We're going to go ahead and use this. I've got a really nice Royer R10 is what I use. It's a ribbon mic. I use it for my overheads, and I really like it. So I am going to set the levels for that right now. There we go. Okay, about good, but I am going to throw a preset into here. So with Universal Audio, I can use a bunch of these presets, not presets, what am I talking about, plugins. And I am still, again, learning, but I've been told to run 1073 straight without any mixing or anything. Just run it as is. Okay. All right, well, let's just do it. There's nothing really. I'll turn off the metronome. While I'm doing this, I'm trying to, because if I just want like a hit. Maybe that's how we'll do it. Because if I'm hitting it like this, but the microphone is picking up that hit, so maybe I need to try it up here. Let's try that again. Let's try it a couple different ways. All right, I think that works. So I have my sample made, have it recorded. Now I'm gonna do some processing. So we'll figure out how to do that right now and play around some sounds. All right, so I've done a couple things with it. I ran a 1073 pre-mix it, and then in post, I threw another 1073 on the Jingle Bells, as well as put an API 2500 compressor, and then I ran all of that to a bus in Ableton and recorded the reverb of that bus. So I put reverb on there, recorded just the reverb in a separate channel. So now I have the Jingle Bell, and then just the reverb, and then threw some plugins on that reverb only. So that sounds like this, which sounds pretty cool. And then you actually have the actual sample as well. Okay, and the together. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and package the sample up. I'm going to throw it on the DrēmTrigger, and we're just going to have some fun.